Welcome. What we're going to try to do today is do some integration of Zoom as well as Outlook. And the idea is that you're going to go ahead and be able to create a whole bunch of different Zoom meetings, just like I've got on my screen, for example. And the way that we go ahead and do that is first by going down here on your Outlook to going into sort of this favorites, or I call it groups and contacts. And from here you can see that I've set up quite a few different groups. Yours probably going to look blank at the moment if you've never used this before. You're then going to go right click onto a blank space, and then you can go ahead and go create new contact group. So this can be for staff and for students, or a combination. And essentially you can just sort of give it a quick little name, and let's just call it MCC Art, Art MCC Teachers 2020. You then can go down to add members and then go from address book. For the purpose of this particular video, I will not click on that because it reveals people's information. From there, you can then go, yep, done, save it, excellent. And now you can see this has appeared. And all I have to do now is I get into Zoom, which is over here. I then go ahead and schedule a meeting. And let's say I want to go ahead and do it for, let's say, tomorrow at 2 o'clock, that's fine. And all I'm really doing now is just changing a few things. Make sure your calendar is ticked as Outlook, and you can then put a schedule. So as this sort of works through, you'll see a email will be sent out. And so from here you can go ahead and change it, and we can say this one is an art teacher meeting, so end of term. And then you go required, and I can go ahead and put down 20, what did I put? Art, MCC Teacher 2020. And all of those people who are actually part of that group will then be notified. This then goes in your calendar, and hopefully this makes your life a little bit more organized.